Hello everyone, I'm Himakshi and welcome to my YouTube channel. The look that I'm going to do today is this black brown smoky eyes. I love this look and it is my go-to party look. So let's get into it.
Primer. So this Color Bar primer is a gel-based primer. Now I'm just going to use this Maybelline New York concealer. This is my favorite concealer. I think I've used it so many times. I have recommended so many people to use this concealer. I'm in the shade Honey, so I think anybody of my skin tone can go with this shade. Moving on to the eye, L'Oreal Paris का brow artist. So this is what it looks like. बहुत यूज किया है मैंने इसे. I'm gonna brush off the excess. So now we'll move on to the eyeshadow, and this is going to light up your face. I am going to use the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. I think we're gonna do a smoky plus bronze golden eyeshadow. I'm gonna go with a light shade of brown. I'll go with this shade. I'm gonna use this kajal. It's from Maybelline. I'm also taking this black shade of eyeshadow from here and just smudging it more, blending it more. So कभी एक आँख में ज़्यादा, कभी एक आँख में कम वो होते रहेगा. You'll have to keep blending. This is the Huda Beauty palette and एक stroke उसका लिया and apply it here. पता है कितने भी मेकअप ब्रशेस यूज कर लो, the best makeup brushes are your fingers. So you see the difference when I apply it with my finger. Do you feel the difference? So I don't know if you guys can notice, but my eyes definitely look a lot bigger. अब मैं eyeliner लगाऊंगी. ये Faces का है. And ये black है, it's a matte finish one. So for the foundation, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Next, we'll go with contouring the face. This is my favorite part because my round and chubby face becomes very sleek and sharp. So this is the Faces Canada palette. मतलब इससे ज़्यादा affordable और इससे ज़्यादा अच्छा palette मैंने नहीं देखा. ये contour powder है इसमें. There's a blush and there's a highlighter. तो ऐसा एक palette Maybelline का भी आता है, which is very nice, very affordable and a go-to palette for you. A loose powder, it looks like this. It's from Revlon and ये छोटे-छोटे holes है इसमें जिससे I can take out my loose powder and I can use it. And this is the loose powder that I'm taking and this is the brush. I'm just gonna apply it right here. So now that we're done with contouring, I'm gonna go in with the blush, which is again this blush. And now I'm going to move in with the highlighter. So again, this has a good highlighter here. I think I'm missing out on something. Yes, I'm missing out on my mascara. So I'm done applying the mascara. I just love how my eyes look now. Should I add something else?
Yes,
Looking at
everybody
you,
are
so we
looking
cannot-
at you.
I'll read out the compliments for you. Suhani Bed has said, love the way
I'm
it
gonna
turned
wear
out.
my earrings.
Revant Patwari has said, excellent work. Suhani Bed, again, yes, the session is very useful. Priya Agarwal, yes, it looks really amazing. Charvi Kasera, amazing session.
कि ऐसा हम लोग कर पाएंगे कभी. मैं तो शायद कभी जिंदगी में ना कर पाऊँ.
Maybe practice makes a woman perfect.
A round of applause for Himakshi.
Thank you.
You guys see me there.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
So that's it, guys. I hope you liked the look, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because more such videos will keep coming in. Thank you for watching. Bye.